Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G62 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it using directly our contact list, so we can block the number which we've got currently saved, or we can do it by using, let's say, kind of dialer settings. Of course, I'll show you both options. And let's begin with the contacts. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then pick this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got block numbers option, so after tapping on it, your device will notify you will inform you actually that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. I don't want to report it as spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which simply means that we've got this number blocked. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon, and here we've got unblock numbers. But let's leave it blocked. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and here in the second way of blocking a number, it doesn't really matter if it will be on the contacts, recents, or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now we have to enter blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. Here we've got the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. We successfully blocked the number. What's more, here we've got the option unknown. We can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to this we can allow our device to block calls from all unidentified callers. What's more, in this way of blocking a number, there is a small difference. So here we can add the number manually, so you don't have to have it saved. Just tap on add a number, tap on this area, and as you can see, you can enter it. So let's tap on block, and as you can see, right now this number is blocked. We can unblock it just by tapping on this X button right next to it. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your MOTOROLA Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.